Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of the GMC Terrain Denali. I'm going to be showing you how to turn on your auto high beams. Let's hop right in. So as I flip us around, you're going to come over to your joystick over here on the left so you can see the light better. You're going to see this A with the headlight. Now you're going to press this chrome button in. Now to make sure it turns on, of course, it'll be dark, but you can also cover this sensor right here for a little bit of an extended period until your lights dim. Now, what you're going to notice is your lights are on, but once I press this button in, you're going to see the high beam with the A on it. And that's going to be where it's auto brights. It's going to turn your high beams on when it's able to and turn them off when it shouldn't. So it's going to be determined on the lights and the cars and the environment around you. I want to say thank you again for watching. Hope you're using your auto high beams to its fullest extent. I absolutely love this feature. I did talk with someone today about it on their Yukon. Now I've showed them on the Yukon. I'm going to make my own how-to video on that as well. But they don't like it going in and out of the neighborhood. Now it's super easy to do it, so it takes within mere seconds once you know how to do it. But going in and out of their neighborhood, it was like flashing lights a bunch as it saw someone, as it saw a light. So they were saying it was a horror movie. But anyway, that's how you're able to use your auto high beams. I want to say thank y'all again for watching, sticking with me. I'll see y'all soon.